Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest and trendy red color silk saree with contrast green color blouse combination ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, red color silk saree paired with green color designer blouse is a timeless and stylish choice suitable for any event. Red color saree is versatility, while the green color blouse added a touch of glamorous to the overall look. The main beauty of this combination in its ability to stick the perfect balance between tradition and modernity. The fancy red color saree with green color embroidery blouse is a elegant ensemble. It is a delightful choice for all age group of women. Whether you are a younger or middle-aged woman attending a family function or a woman looking for stylish ethnic outfit, this kind of sari blouse combination is perfect. Its intricate embroidery and color combination make it a trendy option for festival occasion, showcasing a beauty of Indian fashion. Friends, the combination of red color saree with green color blouse is a timeless classic suitable for women. This kind of green color blouse exudes crazy while the red saree bring a touch of contemporary style and modern. Whether you are attending a wedding or festival celebration, this combination will make you stand out. The bridal red color saree adorned with intricate bottle green embroidery exude timeless elegance and sophistication. Paired with a matching red blouse, it creates a sticking and unforgettable make for a bright special day. Friends, simplicity always meet elegance with a plain red color saree paired with green color blouse, appealing to women, younger girls, teenage girls, or middle-aged women. This kind of combination is perfect for various occasions, allowing you to experiment with fashion accessory for saree coordination. The red fancy saree with green color blouse is a classic combination suitable for all kind of age group women. It offers a blend of elegance and style. It is make it perfect for various occasions. This kind of combination showcase the beauty of traditional Indian fashion and the art of color coordination. That's red color pattu saree paired with green color puff sleeve blouse, a choice that appeal to all kind of women. The pattu saree exude richness while the puff blouse added a temporary twist. This kind of combination is an ideal outfit for wedding and grand celebration. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.